Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see 3 DIYs how you can create diya or create a space of light in your home, one corner. So we are going to make the water candle and these DIYs with bangle and this bowl filled with colored stones. So these 3 DIYs we'll see today. For the first DIY, the things you will need are any glass bangles of any size. Whichever are given to me, I will not return it to anybody else. So I have a lot of bangles of this kind in red and green. So we'll stack one on each other and stick them using Fevicol. You can use Fevibond or glue gun also. So let's get started. We'll see how nice it looks. It looks a very simple technique, but it looks brilliant, trust me. So let's get started. So we'll just stick one bangle on top of the other. So just add glue on all sides like this. And just add it one on top of each other. So on top of the second bangle, I will add glue. And place the third. So you can stack up to any level you want to. So how many bangles I have, so many I will just stick it on top of each other like this. So this is how the side view looks like. So this is how it looks like. Let me just stick all the pieces together and come back. This is how it looks once we stick all that thing together. You'll have to allow it to dry completely. This was the first DIY. Let's allow it to completely cool. Stick to each other, and then we'll see how it looks when we light the tea light. Now we'll go to the second DIY, for which I have taken a glass bowl. You can take of any size, and even these bangles, if you take different colors also, it will look nice. You can make multicolored one or single colored or two colored, even those will look nice. So I have taken this glass bowl and I have taken some colored stones and some shells which were available at my home. You can take even pearls or any stones for that matter. It will look nice. So what I'll do is I'll fill this bowl with these colored stones. You can take same color, different color, small, big, any size you want. So I have different sizes and colors. So yeah, you can also take such stones to fill it. And as a decor element, I will just add one cute shell to the side. And this is our stand for tea light. And once I add it, we'll see how it looks. So this will keep it aside. For the third DIY also, I will take another glass bowl. Here we are going to make water candles. Yes, you heard it right, water candle. For this water candle, you will need this bowl, glass bowl. Preferably glass bowl, and if you have such creases, it will be more good. Why I'm saying so, you will see in just a few minutes. You will need an OHP sheet. You can take OHP sheet or any hard plastic which would have come in food packages or anything like that. So I will need a round piece from this. So what I'll do is I'll just take any round object and just try to draw the outline of it. Like this, I just made a marking. Now I'll cut it out. I don't believe this water candle actually burns for a long hours. So you can make it and try it for this Diwali. So I'll cut this out. I need to make a small hole in between. So I'll just get one sharp object for that. So I'll make a small hole. I need a small hole. Now I'll take a wick. So this is a little big size. So I'll just cut it little. So I'll take a wick like this. So the hole I made, I'll just insert it within. Like this. I'll keep this wick on the edge of the plastic so that it floats on top. So this plastic is basically used so that it floats on water, since we'll fill this with water. To add a little decor element, I'll fill this as well with colored stones in the bottom. A little bit just to puff some color. Now I'll add water into it. Now to this I will add oil. You can use normal cooking oil which you use for cooking, or you can use the diya oil which you bring for puja. I just need a very thin layer on top of water. As you know, oil floats on water, so slowly we add a little oil. Okay, it has formed a thin layer of oil. Next we place this on top of this and then light it up. So since this diya has to burn, I will also wet this with oil on top a little. Now we'll arrange all these DIYs and see how it looks. The flat wick, I'll carefully place it and just light the diya. With that less 1 spoon of oil, see how nicely it is glowing. And here I place those 2 bangle ones which we made. See how beautiful it looks. I'll show you in the dark, then it will be more visible. And this one where I arranged all the stones and then kept one shell. See how nicely it looks. So individually all of these look so cute. What I did was, on my table I just put one shawl of mine and added one garland, artificial garland, and these 2 bottle arts you can find on my video. Underneath the bottle I have kept 2 flowers which I made with paper cups I mean. So that video is also on my YouTube channel, I'll link it below, and there's bottle art as well. So I'll show you how brilliant it looks in the night. See how nicely this space got lit up. I told you, if you use a bowl which has creases, see how nicely it forms pattern in the water candle. These bangle ones, you never expected it to look like this, right? I just kept a Buddha statue to add the serenity. Even this small cute DIY in a bowl, just adding those color stones also look amazing, right? Hope you all like this content. If you all like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.